Available now from Draper Tools is this expert quality Ford and Volvo trailing arm bush tool. The tool's design allows you to rapidly remove and install large and small pattern trailing arm bushes fitted to some Ford and Volvo vehicles without the need to remove the trailing arm unit, road wheels or brakes. To show you how efficient this tool really is, let me demonstrate it for you on this trailing arm assembly, just so you can clearly see how it works. Ensuring the tool's aligned and fitted correctly, the bush removal process is quick and simple. Just be ready to catch the old bush as it's pushed out. For insertion, align the location mark on the new bush with the notch on the suspension arm. Then assemble and position the rest of the tool. Using the stepped split ring, the new bush is pushed in until it reaches the ring face. This ensures the bush is correctly located. Normally it would take 3 hours to do the bushes on both sides of a vehicle, but with this tool you can do it in an hour, a third of the time. The Draper Expert trailing arm bush tool. It's quick, easy to use and minimises service bay downtime.